We have square root x raised to the power log 4 plus x equal to x raised to the power log 5. Here x belongs to non-negative real numbers greater than or equal to 0. So let's get started by writing our restricted condition on x. So we will split x greater than or equal to 0 in two segments. If x equal to 0, if x greater than 0. Now we will check our equation at x equal to 0. So let's find LHS first. At x equal to 0, LHS will become 0 raised to the power log 4 plus 0. It is equal to square root of 0 plus 0. So square root 0 is 0. At x equal to 0, LHS is 0. Now we will find RHS at x equal to 0. So it will become 0 raised to the power log 5, which is equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. Hence x equal to 0 is first real solution to our equation. Now we will take up x greater than 0 condition. So let's write our equation. Square root x raised to the power log 4 plus x equal to x raised to the power log 5. Now we'll be squaring both sides since we have square root in LHS. So we will cancel square root with square in left hand side, and we are going to use a power b whole power c property from exponent. It is equal to a power b times c. So we need to multiply these two powers in right hand side, and we will get x raised to the power log 4 plus x equal to x raised to the power 2 log 5. We will write x raised to the power log 4 plus x equal to x raised to the power 2 log 5. Now we'll use log property, which says a power log b can be written as log b power a. Anytime we can take this multiplier to the exponent of b. So we will write this 2 here in the power of 5. So x power log 4 plus x will be equal to x power log 5 square, which will give us x power log 4 plus x equal to x power log 5 square is 25. Now we know that log 10 with base 10 is always 1. So we can write here x power 1, and we will put this 1 means log 10 in the power. So I can write x raised to the power log 4 plus x raised to the power log 10 equal to x raised to the power log 25. Now we have another very interesting property from log. It is a power log b always equal to b power log a. So we can swap 4 and x over here, 10 and x over here, 25 and x over here. We will get equation 4 power log x plus 10 power log x equal to 25 power log x. We'll write here 4 power log x plus 10 power log x equal to 25 power log x. Now let us assume log x suppose equal to y. So our equation will become 4 power y plus 10 power y equal to 25 power y. Now we know that exponential cannot be negative, cannot be 0. So we can divide both sides by 25 power y. So I will write here divided by 25 power y. In the RHS also we will divide by 25 power y because 25 power y is always positive. Let's divide. We will get 4 power y over 25 power y plus 10 power y over 25 power y equal to 1. Now we will use laws of exponent and we can write 4 over 25 whole power y plus 10 over 25 whole power y equal to 1. Now we know that 4 over 25 is 2 over 5 whole square. And here we can cancel 10 and 25 by writing 2 here and 5 here. So it will become 2 over 5 whole square with power y plus 2 over 5 whole power y equal to 1. I will write 2 over 5 whole square with whole power y plus 2 over 5 whole power y equal to 1. Now we will use exponent law which swaps both the powers. So I can write 2 over 5 whole power y and then we'll put whole square plus 2 over 5 whole power y equal to 1. Property is a power b whole power c can be written as a power c whole power b. Now let us assume 2 over 5 whole power y suppose equal to a. A is exponential, so a must be greater than 0. Now we'll write our exponential equation in terms of a. So it will become a power 2 plus a equal to 1. Now it is converting into quadratic equation. So we'll write here a square minus 1 plus a equal to 0. Now we'll be using quadratic formula and we will get a equal to minus b. So minus 1 plus minus square root of b square will be 1 minus 4ac will be plus 4 divided by 2. So from here we'll be getting minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 and minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now we have condition on a. A should be greater than 0. But here we have negative value. So we will reject this solution. So accepted a is root 5 minus 1 over 2. So I will write here a equal to square root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now a was our substitution 2 over 5 whole power y. So we will write 2 over 5 whole power y equal to root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we know that a power b is equal to c, then b will be equal to log c with base a. So y will become log root 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 2 over 5. Now y is also our substitution, log x. So I can write here log x equal to log root 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 2 over 5. So x will become 10 raised to the power log of root 5 minus 1 over 2 with base 2 over 5. If we will calculate the approximate value of x, then it is coming out 3.36 approximate. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.